You asked, how to divide 107,067 by 50 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 10 is too small. Use 107. 107 divided by 50 equals 2. 2 times 50 equals 100. 107 minus 100 equals 7. Bring down 0, making 70. 70 divided by 50 equals 1. 1 times 50 equals 50. 70 minus 50 equals 20. Bring down 6, making 206. 206 divided by 50 equals 4. 4 times 50 equals 200. 206 minus 200 equals 6. Bring down 7, making 67. 67 divided by 50 equals 1. 1 times 50 equals 50. 67 minus 50 equals 17. The remainder is 17. The final result is 2141, remainder 17.